Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare Semya Upma. Let's see the process. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Add 2 glasses of Semya. Roast it on low flame until the color changes. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. Now transfer the roasted semia into a plate. Now in the pan add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds. Add peanuts. Roast on low flame. Add curry leaves. Add chopped onions and slit chilies, green chilies. Mix well. Add salt according to your taste. Mix well. Add turmeric. Mix it properly. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients properly and close the lid. Open the lid and mix again. Now add 3 glasses of water. We took nearly 2 glasses of semia. For 2 glasses of semia, here we are adding 3 glasses of water. Cover the lid, open the lid, bring the water to a boil and add the roasted semia. Mix all the ingredients properly. Close the lid and cook it on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Open the lid, mix well. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves. Once again close the lid and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Open the lid and mix properly. Serve it hot. Please do like, share and subscribe the video.